What is up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I will be showing you how to download Delta Emulator and play Game Boy Advance games on it. If you like Game Boy Advance games, like and subscribe and let's get on to the tutorial. Alright, to start off with we will need two apps. We will need the Files app and we will need Delta Emulator. Both of these can be downloaded from the App Store, so let's get into the first one, which is Files. You want to go to App Store, then you want to go into the bottom right here where it says search and you want to click on it. It should bring up this and then you want to search Files. Files. As you can see here, it should be called Files. It should be by Apple. You want to click that. As you can see, it's already downloaded. It was really quick download. Alright, as you can see, we're now on the Files app. We want to click on my iPhone. And then we want to go back. And we want to go back to the App Store. Now, we want to do this because we also need the emulator for the Game Boy games. And now we want to search Delta Emulator. As you can see here, here is Delta Game Emulator. It should be by Test Tech, I think that said. Test Tech. I want to press that download button there. For you, it might say get. If it says get, you just need to buy it and download it. It's completely free, no cost. I use this myself basically every day to play my Game Boy games. It's really good. Right, so now it's downloaded. You want to click on the Delta icon. And as you can see, no games. You can import games by pressing the plus button at the top right, learn more. So what you want to do now is you want to get your game ROM, which could be anywhere from NES to the DS, I believe. Yes, so the Nintendo, the Super Nintendo, the N64, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advanced, the original Game Boy, and the Nintendo DS. So once you have your ROM, I won't explicitly show you how to get these ROMs as Nintendo might take down my video, so I would rather not get taken down by Nintendo. My apologies. If you want to know how to download them, just Google it. That's the best advice I can give you without getting taken down. Anyway, let's continue. You need to press the plus button here, and you need to press Files. As you can see, it'll open the Delta folder, but you want to press back to on my phone. I will click into my downloads, and I'm going to locate my ROM. Here's my ROM. This is my ROM. I own a copy of Pokemon Emerald. Okay, Nintendo, don't sue me. Now you want to click on this. And if you have more files, you can click on them as well, but you want to press this open button in the top right once you've clicked all your files. And as you can see, it's automatically imported the game and its artwork. But if it hasn't, you want to hold that down on it, like that. As you can see, it'll start running it, but you want to press change artwork. As you can see, there's clipboard, photo library, game database, and files. You want to click on game database. As you can see, it's already put in the game, but if it's the wrong game with the title, you want to put in the right title. So I've put Pokemon Emerald version. And as you can see, there's two of them, but I prefer the top one. It also has the PEGI rating, and since I'm in the UK, that one's more accurate to me. So I'll click on that, and now it has the artwork. So to play the game, you just simply want to click on it, and it runs like butter. As you can see, look, here is Pokemon. Now, it won't be doing volume, but that's just because I have my volume off, so if I turn silent off. So everyone, I've just realised it's not playing volume because I'm actually recording right now, which is kind of funny. But as you can see, game emulation works amazingly. And also, there's this little fast forward button, just in case you get bored of the professor's absolute yapping. As you can see, it's working smoothly. If I just disable the fast forward, see, it works perfectly. Yeah, to close the game, you want to press menu and main menu. And let's just say, oh my god, the app crashed. There's nothing I can do. You want to click back on the app, you want to hold down. And then you can go to view save states. As you can see, it has a save status since the last time I closed it. So you can see 30/09/24 at 00:07. Click on that. And as you can see, it's opened completely from where we left off. It's absolutely amazing. It saved me from thousands and thousands of hours that I've lost. It's truly amazing. The Delta Emulator, honestly, is the best emulator you can get currently for the iPhone. In fact, it might be the best emulator full stop, as it has so many emulators built in. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Thank you all for watching. This is my first video on the channel, so please subscribe. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope to start a really good channel, and see you later. In the next video, I'll be showing you more things to do with Delta Emulator. So yeah, thank you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.